Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is a beginner's video on just what supplies you need. I'm not going to be painting in this video, I'm just telling you what you're going to need to get started. So you're going to need some Floetrol. You can get this at like Lowe's or Home Depot. You're going to need a culinary torch. You can get this online at Amazon or Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, I got mine online, so you're going to need some silicone. There's a few different kinds you can use. I use coconut milk from OGX. This is the anti-breakage hair serum. I also use 3-in-1 all temperature silicone and treadmill lubricant. The treadmill lubricant is really pricey though, so I don't recommend starting out with this. And you only need one kind to start out with. These are just a few different options. You are going to need acrylic paint. I use Artist Loft from Michaels, Liquid Tacks from Michaels, and Craft Smart from Michaels. The different brands are just good for different effects, different things that I do. They also have different pigments, different colors, so these are just the brands that I use, but any like acrylic paint should work pretty much, but these are the best brands I think, in my opinion. So you are going to need something to mix it in, so you can do plastic cups, paper cups, you can even do a any kind of like bottles you have left over. You're going to want to save these because you can pour your leftover paint in them and then you can store it and save it for later. Ta-da! Like this. I have lots and lots of bottles that I use. And it makes your paint stay good for months. This has been in here for months and I can do a pour right now and it'd be beautiful. Okay, you're going to need something to stir with. I use craft sticks. I also use spoons, those to-go spoons that you get in your takeout orders that pile up in the drawer. You're going to need some tacks. I use these for the back of my canvas. They're good for pushing in the corners, and you're able to get under your canvas and manipulate it better without actually having to touch it. I use, for my swiping, I use paint scrapers. They're a really good way to level out like the first layer if you're putting down one layer of color of white or whatever your base color is. They're also good for like doing actual swipes. But it's not a necessity, it's just nice to have if you're going to be swiping. Or if you have palette knives, they're also useful. You can do a little swipe with them and get some designs in your painting. And so these are just the basic supplies you're going to need to start out. I think I went over everything, so happy creating, everybody. I'm going to put links to purchase everything underneath, or maybe everything, most things. And have a wonderful day. Subscribe to my channel to see videos and more how-tos.